Have you ever wondered how you can earn money with freelancing? Well, you're not alone. Freelancing is a viable option for those looking to make money using their skills in a flexible and independent manner. In its simplest form, freelancing is selling your skills or services to clients without being tied down to a single employer. Now you may ask, why freelance? Well, the answer lies in its many benefits. Freelancing offers the freedom to choose the projects you want to work on, the clients you want to work with, and even the hours you want to work. It allows you to be your own boss, set your own prices, and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, the potential to earn is only limited by the amount of work you're willing to put in. So, are you interested in exploring this avenue of income? Let's delve into the steps to get started. First and foremost, identify your skills and expertise. It's a simple statement, but one that holds a world of potential. You see, in the world of freelancing, your skills are your currency. They're what you bring to the table, and they're what clients are willing to pay for. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not an expert at anything. This is a common concern, but let's redefine what we mean by expertise. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to be the best in the world at something. It could simply mean you have a skill or knowledge that others don't, and that's valuable. Think about what you're good at. What do you enjoy doing? What tasks do you find easy that others might struggle with? These could range from writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, to even more niche skills like virtual reality development or blockchain consultancy. Remember, the freelance market is vast and varied. There's a demand for a wide variety of skills. So, don't limit yourself to traditional roles. Explore, experiment, embrace your unique abilities. It might take some time, and that's okay. This is a journey of self-discovery as much as it is about earning money. So, dig deep. Reflect. Identify your skills and expertise. They are the foundation upon which your freelance career will be built. They are your ticket to freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. Once you've identified your skills, you're ready for the next step. Market research. With your skills in hand, it's time to explore the market. This journey is akin to a treasure hunt, where your skills are the map, and the market is the vast ocean of opportunities. It's vital to understand the ebb and flow of this ocean, to know where the demand for your skills lies and who's willing to pay for them. Now, how do you do that? Begin by investigating potential clients. What industries are they in? What problems are they trying to solve? What kind of freelancers are they currently hiring? This will give you a fair idea of the kind of projects that might come your way. But don't stop there. Your competitors are just as crucial to your research. Who are they? What do they offer? And most importantly, how can you differentiate yourself from them? Remember, in the world of freelancing, your unique value proposition is your golden ticket. Online platforms provide a wealth of information for this research. From job listings to industry forums, these platforms can offer valuable insights into market trends and client preferences. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict where your next opportunity might come from. Understanding the market is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process, as dynamic as the market itself. Regularly update your knowledge, stay relevant, and always be ready to adapt. With a good grasp of the market, you're ready to position yourself effectively. Remember, in the vast ocean of freelancing, those who navigate wisely win. Now, it's time to create an impressive freelance profile. Consider this your professional storefront, the first thing potential clients see when they're deciding whether or not to hire you. It's absolutely crucial to make it count. First things first, a professional photo is a must. Clients want to know they're dealing with a real person, and a picture of you, preferably smiling, does wonders to build trust. But remember, it's not a social media profile picture. You want to project a professional image. Next up, your headline. This is your hook, the first glimpse of what you can offer. It needs to be strong, concise, and should clearly state your skills or area of expertise. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, your headline could read, "Experienced graphic designer specializing in branding and logo design." Now let's talk about your summary. This is your chance to tell your story, to share your experiences, your passions, and what makes you the best choice for the job. Remember to focus on your client's needs and how you can solve their problems. Use strong, action-oriented language and don't be afraid to show a bit of your personality. Don't forget to include your portfolio, testimonials, or any relevant certifications. These act as social proof and add weight to your claims. With a standout profile, you're ready to start pitching to potential clients. Pitching to clients and negotiating terms is a crucial step in your freelance journey. Now let's dive into the specifics of this process. Crafting a persuasive pitch is all about showcasing your skills and how they align with the client's needs. The key here is to be concise, clear, and compelling. Start with a brief introduction about yourself and your expertise. Then, outline how your skills can solve the client's problem or improve their situation. The trick is to focus on the benefits for the client, rather than just listing your qualifications. For instance, instead of saying, "I have 10 years of experience in graphic design," you might say, "With my decade-long experience in graphic design, I can create compelling visuals that will increase your brand awareness and boost your sales." See the difference? The second statement not only mentions your expertise but also how it can benefit the client. Negotiating terms is the next step. Remember, negotiation is not a battle, it's a conversation. It's about finding a win-win solution that makes both you and the client happy. So don't be scared to discuss your rates openly and honestly. However, before you enter this conversation, do your homework. Understand the market rates for the services you offer and consider your experience level, the complexity of the project, and the time it will take. This will provide you with a solid basis for your negotiation. Clear communication is key here. Don't assume. If something is unclear, ask. And make sure that both you and the client have the same understanding of the project's scope and your deliverables. Setting realistic expectations from the beginning can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Finally, remember to stay professional, even if the negotiation becomes challenging. You're not just selling your services, you're also building a relationship. And who knows, a successful negotiation today might lead to more projects in the future. Once you've secured a project, it's time to deliver quality work. But that, my friends, is a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned! Delivering quality work and building strong relationships with your clients is the key to a successful freelance career. Now, let's break down what this truly means. As a freelancer, you're not just selling a service, you're selling an experience. When you consistently meet deadlines and surpass client expectations, you're telling your clients, "You can trust me, I value your project and your time." Remember, in freelancing, time is not just money, it's also reputation. Meeting deadlines is non-negotiable. It's about respect. Respecting your client's time and respecting the trust they have placed in you. When you deliver on time, you're not just delivering work, you're delivering reliability. And that's something clients will always remember. But meeting deadlines isn't enough. It's equally important to exceed client expectations. This doesn't mean over-promising and under-delivering, rather, it's about going that extra mile. Maybe it's delivering a bit ahead of schedule or adding a creative touch that wasn't specifically asked for but enhances the project. This shows initiative and a deep understanding of your client's needs. Asking for feedback is another important aspect of delivering quality work. It's not just about knowing what you did well, but also understanding where you can improve. This shows your clients that you're committed to growth and excellence. Regularly asking for feedback also keeps the lines of communication open and fosters a sense of collaboration. Now let's shift gears and talk about building relationships. Relationships are the lifeblood of any successful freelance career. These relationships are often built on the foundation of quality work, but they're strengthened by good communication, empathy, and respect. Repeat clients and referrals are the gold standard in freelancing. They not only provide a steady stream of work but also validate the quality of your work and your professionalism. Repeat clients come to you because they trust you. They've had a positive experience working with you and they want to continue that relationship. Referrals, on the other hand, are a testament to your reputation. When a client refers you to someone else, they're putting their own reputation on the line. They're saying, "I trust this freelancer, and I believe you can too." In conclusion, remember this. A successful freelance career is not just about the work you do, but the relationships you build. It's about becoming a trusted partner to your clients, someone they can rely on time and time again. With quality work and strong relationships, you can build a successful freelance career. Let's recap the steps to earn money with freelancing. First, identify your skills and expertise. This is your currency in the freelance world. Next, conduct market research. Understand what's in demand and how you can stand out. Then, build your profile. This is your professional storefront, so make it shine. After that, it's all about pitching and negotiating. Remember, you're not just selling your services, you're selling yourself. Lastly, focus on delivering quality work and building relationships. Your reputation is everything, and happy clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. So, there you have it. 5 key steps to earning money with freelancing. Keep in mind, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards can be substantial both financially and in terms of lifestyle flexibility. Remember, freelancing is a journey. With dedication and persistence, you can earn money and enjoy the freedom of freelancing. Good luck!